Meaning of lattice.
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 Lattice. Lattice can refer to a few different things, depending on the context. Generally speaking, a lattice is a structure made up of crisscrossing or intersecting lines or bars that form a series of interconnected squares or diamonds. In mathematics, a lattice is a discrete set of points that are arranged in a regular pattern in space. A crystal lattice is a specific example of this, where atoms or molecules are arranged in a repeating three-dimensional pattern. In construction or gardening, a lattice is often a framework made of crisscrossing strips of wood or plastic that is used to support climbing plants, provide privacy, or create an attractive decorative effect. In computing, a lattice is a type of data structure that represents partial orderings or hierarchies. It can be used in various applications such as image recognition, text mining, and natural language processing. Overall, the term lattice refers to a regular, grid-like pattern of intersecting lines or points.